Video, guys. This is my friend Big Ben 15.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Today we're gonna be doing a haunted mansion run. Okay, are you ready for this haunted mansion run?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna get you your equipment.
Yeah, let me see what I have in here. Oh.
But you're going to need pickaxe. Okay, do you want to go look for the key or do the Wi-Fi cheese?
Key.
Good choice, good choice.
Do I need a flashlight?
If we're going to, going through the dark forest, yes. But I got us covered.
Key. Throw that weird looking one on your side away.
Come on. Okay, but Yo, switch to channel 9 if we get separated. You want channel 9?
Yeah.
Alright, do mic check.
Mic check.
Loud and clear.
Could you hear me?
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, come on. Alright guys, it's currently raining over my house, so it's pretty laggy.
Where are you? Okay, come here. Where do we go? This way?
Well, I do not know the new route for, Haunted Mansion.
Over there.
So, I found it. Oh. Dude, my headset's lagging since I'm recording this video. Come on, bro.
Angler.
Now I'm gonna make her mad.
Why is she gonna come after us?
Oh, shit.
I'm over here.
Oh, she's mad, but... Womp, womp.
Over here.
Oh, yeah, Haunted Mansion.
Turn off your light.
Where you at? Yo. Yeah. Okay. Get your
Do I need my
pickaxe,
pickaxe?
because it will make you go faster, right? Girly girl, I'm bored. Go upstairs this way. Just grab to the roof. Honey, I'm home.
Yeah.
Come on, go down the right hallway. To me, there's more keys down this hallway. I'm using my pickaxe to bust open doors. Nope, none of that door.
No.
What about this door? Nope.
No.
Don't worry, it's just a flashbang. Nope, that's Death Wish.
Leo.
What?
Something was just holding me.
I found the key.
Yeah.
I got the key. Oh, hey, no. Dude, I thought I had the key. Come on, bro. Gotta get back, hurry. Bro, come on, bro. Throw it in there. Come on, quick. Come on, bro. Down we go. Alright, guys, so currently we're gonna be going farming. Alright, yo. Get the red crystal.
I'll mine them.
No. We get every crystal we see. We do not leave one behind. Okay, it doesn't matter if we have to have a game plan, alright? Oh my lord. Okay, so. Oh, wish I could.
repeat, I lost my grappler.
You lost your grappler, I'm finding it.
How am I supposed to get down?
Bro, where are you at? First, so you went over here, so maybe check behind here.
It's over here.
It's over here somewhere? Is it like inside of the heart? Okay. No, bro. Are you seriously too full?
Blues.
Bro, more spawned already, bro. Okay, I got this, Blue.
My bag's full.
Bro, you're capping.
No, I'm not.
Well, my bag isn't full. Well, that means we're both gonna be looking for some ores. Go to zero gravity zone. Yo, do not go to the teleporter. Get the red ores. Get the red ores.
Leo, it's pulling me down.
It's because you're heavy.
Leo, help.
Dude. Bro, you're awesome.
How do you float?
How I flew?
Oh, shoot.
What? Okay,
Go through the portal.
I'm gonna fill up my bag. I'm gonna fill up my bag. Wait. Coming down.
I caught you. Okay, my bag is all the way full.
Same.
Lava. Chicken. He lava chicken. I went through the second portal.
What's up? Ready to go make some cash? We go make that dirty money?
Flying! I'm like a bird!
Alright guys, this is my arms.
Wait, some are getting out. Hurry.
Carry that one. Carry that red one. My bag's empty. Okay, guys, this is
Wait, don't sell it.
all the money that we put in there.
Sell it.
Money talks. Oh. I say 20K. 17K, that ain't bad.
You got 17K?
Yeah, 17K.
I got 9.
Stay there,
$1,000.
Benny boy. Stay there. Stay there.
Okay.
Turn around.
Nah, bro.
I'll give you your stuff back.
Will that one-shot me?
I have a surprise for you. Say hello to
What is
Gold
it?
Iron. By the golden revolver. Bro.
No, wait, no!
I'm gonna kill you again.
Miss me now. You gotta kiss. Whoa! Whoa, where do you get that at?
Well, it's a new item.
It is?
Yeah.
How much it?
Oh, you can put actual RPG in it? But... Alright.
Wait, how do you
Yo,
put stuff
come over
in
here,
it?
come over here, now. But thank you guys for watching. That was a whole entire Haunted Mansion run. This is the new person that's going to be on my channel for a while. A month stuff, but thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe because I wanna have the finger painter badge and gorilla tag. So like and subscribe. See you all in the next
too.
video.
Bye!